Music Haptics has landed as one of the hottest iOS 18 features. When you bring this all-new feature into action, your iPhone starts playing a variety of haptics in keeping with the song you are listening to. In other words, this feature makes your iPhone dance in sync with the currently playing song. In this handsome guide, I'm going to talk about the 6 different ways to enable Music Haptics on iPhone running iOS 18 or later. So first off, I would like to talk about the way to enable Music Haptics from the Settings app on your iPhone. Settings app also provides a hassle-free way to enable and customize the Music Haptics on your iOS device. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then select Accessibility. Then head over to the Hearing section and choose Music Haptics. And then you have to enable and customize Music Haptics to your heart's liking. Then I'm going to talk about how to enable Music Haptics from the Apple Music app. So long as the Music Haptics is enabled on your iPhone, you can activate or deactivate it right from the Apple Music app. When playing a song, look for the Music Haptics label and then tap on this very label to turn Music Haptics off and on, depending on your needs. Then I'm going to talk about how to activate Music Haptics from your iPhone lock screen. For an instant access and launching experience, I will recommend you to add the Music Haptics control to your iPhone lock screen. To do so, you have to trigger the lock screen on your iPhone by pressing the side button, and then you have to authenticate using your Face ID or Touch ID. And then you have to long press on the lock screen, and after that you have to tap on the Customize button, and then choose the lock screen option. And then you have to hit the minus button at the top of the lock screen control you don't want to use any longer. And then you have to tap on the plus button. Then head over to the Hearing section and choose Music Haptics. And then you have to tap on the Done button at the top right corner of the screen and you are all set. And now it's time to learn how to trigger Music Haptics from the iPhone Control Center. As always, the Control Center can also let you enable and use the Music Haptics on your iPhone. To do so, you just have to swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen to bring up the Control Center. Then you have to tap on the plus button located at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to tap on the Add a Control button at the bottom. And then you have to scroll down to the Hearing Accessibility section and choose Music Haptics. From now on, you can activate this feature right from the Control Center on your iPhone, just like this. And now it's time to learn how to invoke Music Haptics using a vocal shortcut. Vocal shortcut is also a nice way to trigger the Music Haptics on your iPhone. From what I can tell, it works like a charm. To get going, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone, then select Accessibility. Then you have to scroll down and select Vocal Shortcuts. And then you have to tap on Set a Vocal Shortcuts or tap on Add Action if you have already started using this feature. And then you have to choose the Music Haptics option that is located under the Accessibility heading. And after that, you have to enter a custom phrase for Music Haptics like music, and then you have to verify it by speaking it 3 times. Going forward, you can trigger Music Haptics using this very custom phrase. Super cool, isn't it? And finally, it's time to learn how to enable Music Haptics on iPhone with the back tap feature. Introduced in iOS 14, back tap also offers a pretty neat way to enable Music Haptics on iPhone. To get going, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone, then choose Accessibility, and under the Physical and Motor section, choose the Touch option. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Back Tap. After that, select Double Tap, and then you have to scroll down to find Music Haptics and select it. Going forward, you'll be able to trigger this feature by just double tapping on the back of your iPhone, just like this. Super handy, isn't it? So these are the 6 different ways through which you'll be able to enable Music Haptics on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Now that you have unlocked all these methods, make the most of it to spice up your music listening experience, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.